Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another yummy, delicious finger licking recipe. If you want to see how I made this tasty, simple fried chicken Nigerian stew, please stay tuned. For this my simple fried chicken tomato stew, I am going to be using 4 of this tomato plum, white onions, maggi, thyme, curry, salt, habanero pepper, vegetable oil. So guys, this is our chicken. I am going to add ingredients in our chicken and we will start boiling our chicken. I'm going to add curry, thyme, white onions, maggi and salt. So I'm going to cover and allow that chicken to cook until it is soft. So I'm going to add 2 habanero pepper and I'm going to add 1 big onions. So guys, now we're going to blend our tomato. So guys, after blending our tomato, we're going to boil it and allow all the water to go out of the tomato. So now guys, it's time to start frying our chicken. I am going to put the chicken inside the hot oil. So guys, I am done frying my chicken. My tomato is also ready. I am going to start frying my tomato as well. So I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to allow that to fry for a few seconds. So after a few seconds, I'm going to add my tomato. So I'm going to allow the tomato to fry until it has completely dried out. So guys, our tomato has fried and it has dried out completely. I am going to add some seasoning inside this tomato. I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add curry. I didn't show this at the beginning, but I'm going to add one of this beef seasoning. So it is a beef seasoning, okay. I'm going to add 2 maggi. Now I'm going to allow that to simmer for a few seconds. So guys, I am done with the tomato. I am going to transfer it inside the pot. So I'm also going to add the meat water inside the pot. I will add more water inside the pot. Now I'm going to taste for salt because I didn't put salt in the tomato when I was adding the ingredients. I'll mix it up very well and I'll taste for salt. Now I'm going to put a little bit salt. Okay, now I'm going to add back my chicken inside the pot. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm going to cover and allow it to simmer. I'm gonna just let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, it is time to take our stew off from the stove. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It is looking absolutely delicious and it is tasting delicious, guys. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.